Hello everybody and welcome to this very spontaneous video where I am announcing that from now on I'm going to be uploading a couple of videos spontaneously about everything I discovered on the last 4 years of my journey so far. I've been doing workshops and research in education, and specifically with education and creativity and technology, and giving lectures also all over the world with children all over the world. And so I learned a lot, and I had a lot of different insights that I didn't have when I started this journey. And so I decided that it's time to share these insights with you, to exchange my knowledge, to exchange my ideas, and just start this conversation with you about creativity, creative intelligence, childhood, education, arts and technology, play, learn through play, all of those subjects that I'm really passionate about and that I believe are a solution for a lot of the problems that we face today as a collective. And so all of that to say that you're gonna see me talking like this more often from now on, and I hope you enjoy it and that it's insightful to you and that you come and participate and continue this conversation with me. And so I'll see you very soon.